Welcome to the SignNow API video tutorial. In this section, we'll go over the SignNow API Postman collection and how to use it to save time and simplify your e-signing experience. The SignNow API Postman collection features a set of ready-to-use requests for making calls to REST API endpoints using the Postman app. The collection covers the various steps of eSignature workflows, such as uploading documents with fillable fields, sending documents for signing, checking the status of a document, creating embedded signing sessions, and so on. You'll need a valid SignNow Developer Sandbox account to get started with the Postman collection. Otherwise, register a new account on the SignNow API page. Clone or download the collection to your computer and unzip the package. Go back to Postman and click Import. Select the collection file from the package and add it to Postman. Then import the environment file using the same method. Now open the Manage Environments window. Here you can set up your environment and specify the values for the username and password fields. The default URL will be as follows. Go to your Sandbox account, copy the basic authorization token from the API dashboard, and paste it into the basic field. The token field remains blank. Click Update when ready. That's it! Your collection has been successfully imported. Browse the enumerated folders to find requests for every use case out there. You can also find the complete set of endpoints supported by the SignNow REST API in the non-enumerated folders below. Let's generate a new access token by sending a post request. Now let's open the Test tab. It contains the script that uses the access token from our response and saves it to the environment. As you can see, the access token we've just generated has been automatically saved to the environment as the token variable. Accordingly, similar scripts have been applied to set other variables such as document ID, role, signer's email, and so on. From now on, all these variables will be used for our future requests. That'll be all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.